Welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start exercise 4.6, last exercise of this chapter, basic geometrical ideas. Already we have done about line, segment, ray, triangle and quadrilateral, etc. But now today we are going to start with circle. Circle all of you have drawn many times, but the applications or the terms related with this circle you will learn in this exercise. Before starting this exercise, let us start with concepts or the definitions and terms related to this exercise. Okay, so first question, all of you have seen the circle. In small classes also you have drawn many times the circle, and here you have seen in your textbook, you see that here in your textbook they have drawn one circle with the help of rounder, and all of you have seen that here the circle with the help of rounder when it is drawn, and here these are the points. Okay, and these points are equidistant. Okay, these points are equidistant, means these are lying at the equal distance from the given point. What is that given point? Is called center of the circle. So what is circle? Okay, here if you will try to draw circle or in your notebook, okay, here I am going to draw for you. Okay, here I have drawn one circle for you, and you see that this is circle, and all these how I have drawn, that is, once again let me check. Okay, this one circle I have drawn for you. All of you have seen that here this point, children, here it is center of the circle, and with the help of scale if you will draw one line here. Okay, if I am going to draw any from the center of the circle, if you will try to draw one line, what is that line? Here I have drawn here one line, and we can draw few more lines. You will see that from the center all lines are at the equal distance and having equal measure, children. Okay, these are having equal measure. My scale is too much sensitive to hold on this. Okay, so I have drawn here two. So two for you. You see that these two lines having equal measure, and these two lines are called, what are these called? Radius. What is these two? And plural of these two is called radii. Okay, plural of radius is radii. Now children, circle is, if you will check, it is equidistant. Okay, at all the points, a circle is made up of all the points which are equidistant from the given point. Which given point they are talking about? The center of the circle. Understood? And what is radius? The line segment whose one end lie at the center of the circle, other at the circumference or on the circle. Circumference means this part. Okay, that is called, boundary of the circle is called circumference. I hope you understood about radius also. Now after radius we will talk about next topic. Here all of you have seen that diameter. Okay, a line that is passing from the center of circle is called diameter, children. What is diameter? That line, if this one, this complete. Okay, this line segment that is passing from the center of circle whose both ends lie on the, okay, lie on the circumference of the circle, this AB. AB is diameter, and this OA. OA. What is that OA called? This is called radius of the circle. What is that called? Radius. This one OB, also radius. Same way OC. This is also radius, but AC will be diameter. Understood? So now next one, what is next one? Chord. What is chord of a circle? If I will draw one circle, you just wait. Okay, I have drawn here. Now children, let me draw one time. Okay, this one. Suppose this circle I have drawn, and now the question is, what is chord? This line segment AB. Okay, a line segment whose both the ends lie on the circumference of the circle, or you can say circle. Okay, that is called chord of the circle. What is that called? Chord of the circle. Understood? What is that? What is that? Chord means a line segment. AB is chord. Okay, whose both ends lie on the circle. That means diameter is also a chord. This is a longest chord. A longest chord. Why? Because if you will draw many chords in one circle, you see that diametral will be the longest chord. I hope you understood that one also. This will be the longest chord. Now next one, after that we are going to start with arc. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is called, once again I am drawing one circle. If roughly I will draw now, it is not exactly looking just like a circle. So let me take help to draw. Okay, so this I have drawn for you. Now what is an arc? This is a part of a circle, children. Okay, suppose this one. If I will cut, this one will be the arc. Okay, AB. How we will write AB arc? Like this. This one. This AB arc. This is a part of circle. And you may write here AXB. Then you will put here AXB like that. Okay, AXB, these points are, this is called arc of a circle. Understood, children? Now interior and exterior, if any point lie inside, radius always interior. Okay, that is called interior. If any point lie outside, suppose Y point, this is called exterior of the circle. But here these point A, X and B lying on the circle. Okay, these points are lying on the circle. Understood? Now we are talking about segment and sector. What is line segment? Okay, suppose children, if you are going to draw one chord here, I have drawn CD chord. Okay, and if now children, I have drawn this chord and this area covered by this circle, this, okay, arc and this line segment. What is this called? chord. What is this called? Segment. What is this called? Segment. Area covered, region in the a region in the interior of the circle which enclosed by an arc. This was an arc CD. You can write CYD. Okay, this one was a CYD arc. And what is that called? Enclosed by an arc and a chord. This chord CD. Okay, that is called segment. Okay, segment. What is that segment? A region. Okay, in a circle, of a circle, between which two? An arc, or enclosed by an arc and a chord. Understood? In short. Okay, that is called, what is that called? Segment. I hope you understood. Okay, properly you have to write a region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc. This was an arc, and another one, sorry. Okay, this one an arc CYD, and this one CD is, what was that? CD was chord. Okay, that is called segment, and this area is called segment. And now what is sector? I have drawn this, and this was center, and this part is called sector. So what is sector? A region in the circle which is enclosed by an arc. It is also enclosed by this arc and by two radii. Okay, these two. By two radii, it is called, what is that area called? Sector. That is called sector. I hope all the terms, okay, you understood. Now we will start with the exercise given in the textbook. I hope everything you have understood about this. Now, first question in 4.6 exercise. From the figure, identify the center of circle. Obviously, you can identify this. O is the center of the circle. A diameter, this one AC is diameter. O AC is diameter. Okay. Two points in the interior. Which two points? P and O. Okay, O and P. A sector. What is sector? Enclosed by two radii. Okay, so what will you write? A sector. Okay, this one. This one is called sector. And next one. Sorry, I am going wrong. I should this one first. B. Okay, I am moving like this one. First B is left. Three radii. OC, OA and OB. OC, OA and OC, OA and OB. I hope you understood. Now next one, a chord. Which one is chord? This one, this longest one, whose both the ends lie on the circle. So ED, this one is chord of the circle. If you will, that is also a chord. Diameter is also called a longest chord. So you can write AC also, children. But they ask a chord, so you have no need to write AC. So you write this one. Two points in the interior that I explained. After that, F part. a point in the exterior. This point Q. Q is in the exterior. A sector. What is a sector? O A B is a sector of the circle. Okay, this one. Here you will write O A B. This one. Segment. This one. This is called ED segment of circle. This one. Understood? Here you will not put line segment sign. Otherwise this will be wrong. Is every diameter of a circle also called? Yes, I taught you here. Okay, but here they asked only one, so you write only one. No need to write this one. Okay, yes, because diameter passing through the center and whose line, this line segment having both the ends lying on the circle. So this is also chord. Every chord of a circle also a diameter? No. Why? This chord is not a diameter because it is not passing from the center. Okay, that chord passing from the center will be a diameter only. Okay, so this will be the reason of second question. Draw any circle. First, its center, diameter, radius, sector, segment, point in interior, exterior, and all these parts in the beginning I have done for you. So you have to do yourself that one. In the beginning, while explaining terms of this exercise, I explain. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. Will they intersect? What do you think? It is true because these will meet at the center. Okay, so that will be true. That center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes. Okay, that is also true because not outside. So I hope you understood this chapter. So you complete this chapter. Okay, simple chapter in your notebook. And in next class we will do next exercise, next chapter, chapter number 5.